Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. This is what it looks like here. It's super pretty. I love the holographic packaging. So this palette retails for $67, which I think is honestly pretty pricey. This is pretty much the size of the palette. When I received it, I thought it was pretty small. If you guys don't know, I do get PR from Huda Beauty. So it came in like this little holographic bag, and then it also comes with some brushes, but I'm not too sure if the brushes are for sale. I did already use the palette, but I wanted to do like a full review for YouTube and show you guys swatches of the palette. So pretty much this is the look that I'm going to be creating. If you guys want to see the full tutorial, then just keep on watching and I'll go ahead and show you guys the swatches now. I also wanted to mention that the swatches will be going from top to bottom in threes. So these are the first swatches. I hope they're coming out good on camera. But this first one here is Cosmic. This one's Off Balance. And this one is Vortex. So these are the next swatches. The first shade here is Utopia. The shimmery shade is Galaxy. And this burgundy shade is Hot Mess. So these are the shades Ultraviolet, Libra, and Supernova. This is the shade Nebula, Crash, and Karma. These are what the next shades look like. This is the shade Mercury, Momentum, and Gold Glitch. I feel like these together look super pretty. Here we have the shade Haze, Supermoon, and Frazzled. Alright guys, so I'm moving on to the eyes part of the video. I'm going to be using my ANASTASIA eye primer, and then I'll just use any brush and just blend that all over my eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and tap that with my finger just to really blend it out. If not, you can use your beauty blender. But I feel like this helps just smooth it out because the brush kind of just spreads it everywhere. And I actually think I'm going to go in with my tape. For the past few tutorials already, I've been using my tape on the outer part of my eye just to give me a really clean and cut look. So the first shade that I'm going to be taking is the shade Karma. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my crease area. So this shadow's pretty easy to blend. Like I said, the mattes are super nice in this palette. As you can tell, it just looks really pretty. I feel like it looks a little bit more pink on my eyelids, but I still love the way that it looks so far. By the way, the first brush that I use is from AOA Studio. It's their E130 brush. This is what it looks like. It's just a really fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go with the more burgundy shade. This is the shade Hot Mess. I'm going to be using this brush from BH Cosmetics. It's again a pretty fluffy brush. It is a little bit more tapered. This one is the BH6 brush and it does come in a set. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. I feel like this look is going to be like a perfect fall look. I think I'm going to go with the gold shade in the inner part of the eyes. But for now I'm going to take that shade Hot Mess and just blend it on the outer part of the eye. I'm kind of just patting it on the outer part and then taking it a little bit up into the crease and then just blending that out. You want to make sure you're going all the way out into the tape so that when you take it out you have like that really sharp edge. I'm actually going to go in with a bit of Vortex and apply it on the outer part of the eye. So I'm going to go in with the shade Gold Glitch, and I'm just going to apply this to the inner part of the eye. And this actually looks really pretty. It looks like gold flakes on the eyes. I'm going to be doing kind of like this cut crease motion here in the inner part of the eyes. But it's not really too much of a cut crease. Normally when I do a cut crease, I'll go in with concealer. But I just kind of want this to look soft. So here I'm just taking the shade Supernova to blend in that burgundy shadow with the gold one. And I'm kind of just going to be patting that on the center of the eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the tape. This is sort of the sharp winged owl effect you should have. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my face, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and applied some lashes. These are TATTI lashes, and they're in the style TL5. I want to show you guys a close-up because they're super pretty. So this is what the eye looks like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation off camera, and I'll be right back. So I already went ahead and did my face makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line. The first shade that I used here is the shade Karma, which is the shade that we use in our crease. I'm also going to go in with the shade Hot Mist a little bit closer to the lash line. I'm also going to be applying some white liner to the waterline. You guys know I love doing this step. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my lower lashes. Alright guys, so pretty much this is a completed look. I'm in love with the way that the palette turned out. I feel like the shades are definitely worth it. Let me know if you guys are going to pick up this palette. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this palette. If you guys want to see more tutorials with this palette, let me know and I'll for sure do them, because I definitely want to play around with this palette. It has some really nice shades. Definitely want to go into the blues. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and you give this video a thumbs up. And so that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.